Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. In dense forests where trees stand as time's witnesses, a crucial process unfolds: timber harvesting. Beginning with planning and stock assessment, methods are chosen and environmental impacts are weighed. The process encompasses transport planning, tree selection, bark removal, and sorting. Advanced machines like the John Deere Harvester 1270G streamline these tasks. Timber is then transported by employing tractors, winches, or ropeways, with elevated systems curbing erosion in mountainous regions. Preserving wood quality involves guarding against fire, fungi, and insects while maintaining humidity and temperature. Immerse yourself in an underwater world where the dredging process is the star, shaping aquatic landscapes and ensuring water body vitality. It all begins with careful preparation, studying the water body's conditions, and crafting a dredging strategy. Tool selection is crucial, with the choice of the right dredger, like the Julon Dredger AMD 260 for shallow waters, or the Julon Dredger CSD 500 for deeper areas, dictating success. The core of dredging involves precise sediment loosening, suctioning, and transportation, all while considering environmental factors. Responsible waste disposal, in strict accordance with environmental regulations, wraps up the process. In the realm of agriculture, the hay packaging process is a harmonious synergy, commencing with field preparation akin to priming a canvas for an artist's masterpiece. Much like skilled craftsmen working their magic, hay packaging machines such as the Elho Tube 2040, Elho 1540 Pro, and Kubota Fast Bale deftly wrap and compress the hay into bales. The selection of the right tools and the choice of an appropriate base vessel are equally paramount. The waste is meticulously managed, and the protective cocoon crafted by these hay wrapping machines ensure the hay's quality remains pristine. It's a symphony of efficiency and precision, akin to the delicate balance in a natural ecosystem. Consider the landfill compactor LC120, a robust unit tailored for diverse landfills. At 120,000 pounds, it exerts formidable force, compressing waste up to 60,000 pounds per wheel. A 30-degree front frame oscillation maintains surface contact, maximizing compaction and operator comfort. The LC120 features a straightforward design, an operator-friendly cab with prime visibility, and flexible options for various work settings. Share your thoughts in the comments on this rhythmic interplay of land and machine. In agriculture, the potato selection and movement process includes the following: qualitative selection of potatoes before sowing, considering the condition of the tubers. The procedure relies on preservation, eye development, and the size and number of tubers. Specialized machines are used for handling: pickers, transporters, and sorters. This ensures gentle handling, reduces losses, and optimizes storage and sales. An example is the Grime PS511. It lifts the potatoes from the storage floor and transfers them to the conveyors. With its wide radius and height adjustment, it ensures efficiency and gentle handling. In canal and sewer cleaning technology, processes are integrated to maintain their capacity and minimize environmental impact. Cleaning irrigation canals involves the removal of crop residues and silt deposits using specialized machines. This step can be planned or unplanned, depending on the degree of pollution. Similarly, wastewater from agricultural enterprises is treated to reduce negative environmental impacts and optimize resources. The selection of an appropriate treatment system depends on the volume of wastewater, quality standards, location, and economic feasibility. These measures contribute to environmental sustainability and the efficient utilization of resources in agriculture. The beet harvesting process in agriculture forms an integral sequence of operations. With the beginning of harvesting, the root crops are carefully dug out of the beds, minimizing damage. Then the beets are sent to the beet harvester, where the main processing takes place. Here, the beets are thoroughly cleaned of soil and other impurities, sorted by size and quality. Once this process is complete, the beets are loaded into the combine's hopper or onto transport vehicles. This depends on further plans, whether for storage or further processing. Among the innovations in this area, the Grime Rexer 630 is a state-of-the-art beet harvester. It combines all stages in one cycle with a 6-row rotary cutting system, a powerful Mercedes engine, a 30-ton hopper, and high productivity. In the realm of agriculture, the process of discharging and loading bulk materials like soybeans involves several streamlined steps. Soybeans are harvested, cleaned, and dried before being prepared for efficient shipping and export. Additionally, there's the handling of clinker, a crucial precursor to cement, which undergoes high-temperature processing, followed by cooling and storage. Subsequently, it is loaded onto ships, wagons, or containers for transport or export. Facilitating and optimizing this multifaceted process is the Govern Remote Control Grab, a remote-operated tool that, when used in conjunction with cranes, offers an efficient solution for handling a variety of bulk materials with flexibility and precision. In the world of agriculture, the innovative tandem potato loading hopper technology intertwines a multitude of factors. Harvested potatoes are cleaned, transported to vehicles for delivery, and directed to a receiving hopper for temporary storage and processing. The receiving hopper further cleans, sorts, and calibrates the potatoes, ensuring top quality. The tandem receiving hopper integrates 2 hoppers, boosting efficiency during loading with increased capacity and automated loading. The Grime TH824 exemplifies this technology. In agriculture, container loading technology harmoniously involves containers of agricultural goods or raw materials are moved onto rail platforms or trucks using specialized cranes or forklifts, ensuring secure attachment for safe transport. These containers are then transported to warehouses, ports, or other destinations, where similar cranes or forklifts unload them, enhancing cargo flow and expediting deliveries. An innovative example is the Quen's Freerider crane. It offers high speeds, patented spider lifting for precision, and one-hand control for ease. Harrowing in agriculture is a versatile process. Mechanical harrowing enhances soil quality by loosening, leveling, and mixing topsoil with residues and fertilizer. Benefits encompass improved soil-water balance, weed control, seed and fertilizer incorporation, erosion prevention, and soil enrichment. Timing varies, occurring in spring, fall, or between rows depending on objectives and conditions. Various harrow types, tooth, disc, spring, and rotary, attached to tractors are employed. For example, the Fend 275 GT tractor, designed for agriculture and operator comfort. Different stone cutting techniques take into account the unique characteristics of the materials being processed and the desired end results. While mechanical cutting relies on pure force, mechanical physical methods incorporate elements such as heat, water, electricity, or chemicals to achieve their goals. Cutting methods take into account the specifics of the materials being processed, emphasizing the complex intersection of technology and craftsmanship in stone processing. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!